Y'all, what's up, man? We are back with another video. I told you guys I'm gonna try to bring you guys videos more consistently. But anyways, today's video we're gonna go over a couple things. We're gonna go over, pros and cons. Do you really want that Hellcat that you see all over YouTube? We gonna see. But anyways, before we get into that, I got a couple errands we got. Can't even talk, bro. I got a couple errands we gotta run and stuff like that. So you bring your ass with me. This is a little vlog too. But anyways, before we leave, let's go see this little fit check. Something not too crazy. Like I said, ain't nothing too crazy. Got the G-Fazos, black jeans, spider hoodie, and just a little trucker hat. Nothing too crazy. But anyways, y'all, we finna slide. We finna dip. Bring your ass with us or jump the ship. Let's go.
Yep. Just change the pants. You put on the hat.
What you putting on, boy? Is that essentials?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh shit, bitch, I need a better zoom because that shit is trash. Damn, this bitch on? Shit. What's up, y'all? Anyways, we back with another video, y'all. Today we're gonna be talking about So You Want a Hellcat. Anyways, y'all, basically I'm gonna go through a whole breakdown of what it costs, what you're gonna go through, little trials, tribulations with owning a Hellcat. But my question to you is this. Do you want a Hellcat for this reason? Do you want a Hellcat for this reason? YouTube! Or this reason?
What's the dealio, Martilia?
I don't know. Y'all let me know. Y'all make that decision. Me, personally, I like cars. I'm a car kind of guy. I've always had Dodge Chargers and, well, really Chargers. Years back. Like, my first car was a Camaro. Then after that, it was straight Dodge. And I had like 4 of them. But anyway, so we're going to talk about this first. There's some pros and cons. Like, some of the pros of having a Hellcat is you're going to get that attention. Now, if you want it. Well, not if you want it. You're going to get it either way. But what I mean by that is people that know cars, the sound's very distinctive. The badge is very distinctive. So, am I not focused? So, like I said, you know what I'm saying? It's a very noticeable car. And also, a downside of that is these cars get broken into, they get stolen, all types of stuff. So that comes with the territory. So if you're worried about your car getting broken into, bro, this is not the type of car for you, bro, because if it happens, it happens. So you just gotta suck it up, fix it, deal with it, learn to move right. That's basically it. But like I said, we'll start, like I said, we're gonna organize this shit. We're gonna start with the cons. So the cons of having a Hellcat, I will say number 1 is going to be payment. A lot of y'all think that, boy, these cars are cheap, but it's not. Unless you throw in $20, $15, $10,000 down, your payment's gonna be over $1,000. It's just what it is. That's with a good interest rate. Well, the lowest interest rate you're gonna get right now in the car market is 7%. That's it. Car market is jacked right now. So boom, 7%, right? And you're talking about 7% on top of bare minimum, maybe 50 if you find one cheap enough. But yeah, so boom, the payment is going to be expensive unless you're dropping a lot of money down. The next thing that's going to eat you up and kick your ass is going to be insurance. If you're under 25 like me, I got this car when I was 23. Got it when I was 23. Y'all, I had to shop for insurance for real because my first 2 or 3 quotes were above $500, and that's just insurance. That's a whole car note for insurance on top of the car payment. So your car payment $1,000, you're paying $1,500 for a car. Just realize that, understand that. Especially like I said, these influencers, like you got Quan, Vontae, that whole clique, Josh, Laurent. They all have these cars young. They make it look good, right? But y'all don't understand, and this is just the facts of it. They use it as an investment. So if you're gonna get this car just to be cool, bro, you are doing the dumbest shit ever. Get the fuck out of that mindset and go chase something else. But anyways, like I said, y'all, bro, don't be doing this shit for other people, bro. Get a car that you want. Don't do this shit because you see all these people, these Hellcats, they're young, oh, this, that. You got rap music, shit like that. Get a car you want for you, bro. Get a car you want for you. Don't be trying to look up to these guys and not have the funds like they do, and then you just fuck your credit up for the next I don't know how long. You know what I'm saying? I'm saying be smart. Let them be motivation. Don't let them be your decision making. Like, ooh, I'm gonna get one no matter what. Don't do that, y'all, man. First of all, be your own person, bro. Next thing that's gonna hit y'all is gas. Believe it or not. Guys, this is a supercharged V8 engine. A V8 engine already drains enough gas. On top, this bitch is supercharged. Understand that when I first got this car, I was paying $60, I think, every 3 to 4 days. I had to, and that's driving around in the city, which, don't get me wrong, all the stopping and going kills gas too. You know, on the highway is decent. I took a 4-hour drive, 4.5-hour drive, and I think I had to fill up on the way there probably like 3 times.
Oh, nah, dog. Come on, man.
Something like that. So yeah, you understand that. So whenever you try and get a car like this, understand that, bro, you gonna have to budget shit. Grow up. Budget. Like, come on, bro. If you think you're gonna live life, spend money, don't know where money's coming in and out, you're tripping. You're not gonna make it far. I'm telling you this. I'm being your friend right now. You're not gonna make it far. So tighten your ass up. But anyways, boom. So gas. And like I said, another bad thing is, bro, the attention. The attention can be bad. What I mean by that is you can get your car broken into. You can get trackers put on your car. You can get your car stolen out of your own driveway. You know what I'm saying? So be careful with that. Understand that if you get a car like this, you got to get the proper equipment with it. So the stuff you're going to have to get, y'all, is you're going to have to get kill switch, a wheel lock, a GPS for your car to know where your car is at, and you're gonna need to get that little plate that covers up the neutral lever. So those are what you have to do. So understand, do your research on how much that's gonna cost you, because when you get a car like this, you're gonna have to get at least 2 of those. At least 2 of those to feel comfortable enough that if I go somewhere or I'm sleeping, my car ain't gonna get broken into. You feel me? I really consider these factors before you try to jump into something you're not really financially prepared for. Because first, financially, you're going to go spiraling down. Then you're going to go mentally. So I advise you to play your cards right. Don't rush into these type of cars unless you have a plan. If you don't have a plan, this ain't for you. If you want to do what they did, get the car. You know, payment might be a little high. You might be able to make it, but barely make it. But make content with it that might make you money back. Do it. But don't get this car at a young age, just like I said, for attention. Because it's stupid, y'all. It's not smart, man. You're gonna constantly feel like you just gotta work just to maintain the car. You're not gonna have no type of free time or nothing. Understand that this is a process. This is a process. Just like getting a car. It's a fucking process. Understand it. But anyways, so we're gonna scratch that, y'all. Now we're gonna go to the pros. The pros of having a car like this is, for one, it is super fast coming out of the factory. You ain't gotta do nothing. Comes with a warranty. Most cars aren't supercharged. Supercharged is something, is boost. It's something you add to a car to gain more horsepower. This comes with it factory. So that is a pro. A lot of power. 707 horsepower. Just like that. Coming from the factory. Of course, you got a break-in period and stuff. But, y'all, that's what I'm saying. That alone, beautiful. Another pro. You can get good attention. What I mean by good attention is you can make connections. You know what I'm saying? If you're a car guy, you got a car like this, you by yourself driving around, boom, you pull up next to someone that's got Scat Pack, Hellcat, Track, SRT Jeep, you know, anything of that kind of nature, more than likely they're going to talk to you. If not, then they don't. You play around, stuff like that. You can get connections. You know, you can find new friends, car groups, people to make money with. So you can do stuff like that. Mindset right for it. So what I mean by that is, if you got a plan and you want to pull, if you know the sauce, you know the sauce. If you want to do that with your car and make some money, boom, do it. I'm all for it. You know what I'm saying? That's another pro, because you're looking at it as an investment. I can't think, bro. It's like I'm high, but I can't fucking think, but I'm not high. Another pro, y'all. Another pro of getting a car like this, if you're into modding, is you can get a lot of power pretty quick. Pulleys, headers. Now, it's going to cost you some. Pulley isn't too bad if you get a tune and stuff like that. But like I said, pulley, headers, E85, injectors. You know, you can build a lot of power. You can have 850 horsepower Hellcat pretty quick, depending on, you know what I'm saying? And also, like I said, to say that is to say this. If you had a Scat Pack and you had a Hellcat, you had a $10,000 budget to give it 200 horsepower, right? The Hellcat is going to be more bang for its buck. The reason I'm saying that is in the 6.4, the Scat Pack, you got to do a lot of things. Yeah, you can do the same things, headers, cam, maybe slap a supercharger if you want to. But that's out of your budget because that's about a supercharger right there. But it's the bottom end. The 6.4 motor cannot take boost. So if you already have a platform that's boosted and you throw 10 grand at it, you're going to build a lot of power. You will probably be close to 1,000 horsepower. Yes, it's going to cost, but my thing is this. If you got the money, you got it. You go the whole build route on a Scat Pack, you have chances of it breaking, blowing up, throwing a rod and piston. That's going to cost you more money on top of what you just spent to mod it. So you got to understand. But the Hellcat, 10 grand is going to give you more power than it would if you put that 10 grand in a Scat Pack. But the argument comes with shit like this, y'all, is because there's two different car guys. All right? Well, you got different car guys, to say. It's not, there is two different, but you got different car guys. You got someone that's build, not bought, and you got bought. So you got people that buy shit that's already modded, already this, that, so they don't got to deal with reliability issues, anything like that. And then you got some people that go modded route because it's more of a custom feel. You know, it's your car, it's what you did and stuff to it. You know what I'm saying? Which I respect both ways and stuff. But you got to make the decision yourself. You got to understand yourself of what you are trying to get. So, like I said, there's probably more pros that I can probably come up with. I just can't think right now. But let's get back to the negatives real quick. So some of the negatives of owning a Hellcat is, bro, tires. Believe it or not, you probably hear it a lot, but tires, bro. You go through tires a lot. I had this car for 4 or 5 months probably, and I already had to go buy 2 tires. But of course, you determine that. You kind of, you know, you can give a say-so on when it's time to get tires. Of course, I have fun with this car. I burned some tires, you know what I'm saying, stuff like that. But that's another thing. Tires are expensive. You're dealing with 305 plus, you know, 305, 315, whatever size you got, wheels set up back there. But you're dealing with that too. My tires are 350 a piece, so do the math times 4. That's what a full set of tires is going to cost you. Can you afford that? It's not about, oh, I can afford the car payment, I can afford the insurance. Can you afford the maintenance? Can you afford the oil changes, the tires, something breaking? You know, give or take, Dodge is American, so it's not really like too expensive to fix, but you still got your average car parts that break that still cost a certain penny. So make that decision, y'all. You need to understand, bro, just because you see someone else got it before you do does not mean you either be hard on yourself or do something stupid in order to get it. Wait your turn. Play your cards right. You know, I'm a firm believer, hey, God does things for a reason. Timing's everything. Maybe he thinks you're not ready. We need to calm your ass down. Maybe you don't. Like I said, timing's everything. Just make sure, y'all boys, before you get into a car like this, make sure before you get into a car like this, you got your shit in check. Please, y'all. Credit, income, monthly payment, insurance. Get quotes, multiple quotes. Find out what you need. Because, am I not focused still? Because listen, all it takes is for you to fuck up. And now your credit's fucked up. Credit's very important. If you watch them boys I brought up, Quan, Josh, Laurent, Vontae, all of them, then you'll understand that's all they talk about. Listen to them. Listen to them, bro. They're not bullshitting you when they say it. But anyways, y'all, that's pretty much going to be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Blow me up, bro. Tune in. Turn on the notifications, guys. Make sure you watch my videos as soon as they drop. And share with your friends. And man, stop looking at me crazy before I take your hoe. It's Guapo being I'm out.